Hey everybody, joint custody in Kentucky now means equal time with the children. At least that's where the discussions start.
A new law says joint custody is now the default when parents split up. Local 12's Angela Ingram talked with family lawyers about what that means for parents and children of divorce. Angela.
In Kentucky, the starting point for a judge is that both parents will have joint custody and also 50-50 parenting time. Governor Matt Bevin just signed it into law.
Yeah, this is the first law of its kind in the country, and what I will say is that in this area, in the northern Kentucky area, for us attorneys that practice in especially Boone, Campbell, and Kenton counties, this is what's been going on for years with most of the judges.
Supporters of the new law say it allows for more stable upbringing of children. Attorneys who specialize in family law point out that judges have a lot of leeway and that although both parents will start on an even playing field, there are factors that can change a judge's ruling.
Well, certainly if there's any domestic violence involved, that would play a big role. And more than likely, each parent's prior participation in the child's life.
Erin Wilkins practices on both sides of the river. In her experience, she's seen some differences in how the laws are applied.
Other states kind of presume one parent is this residential custodian, the other parent is kind of this weekend parent.
Lawyer Mark Ogle is hoping that the legislature will take another look at updating the state's child support law now that the equal parenting law is in effect.
Well, the statute in 1987 was based upon the cost of living that occurred during that time, plus the statute is based upon a parenting schedule which anticipates one parent primarily raising the child.
Erin Wilkins points out that there could be issues with very young children. She says, for instance, parents having to shuffle newborns from house to house on a 50-50 basis or a nursing mom. But she says a judge would take all of those factors into consideration before making a decision. Cammie, back to you.
All right, Angela, thank you. The joint custody default is a starting point, but a parent can show evidence that could cause a judge to change that 50-50